Can you actually run two WhatsApp accounts on one iPhone? Yes, you can, and it's easier than you think. You'll need two different phone numbers, but they don't both have to be physical SIM cards. On iPhone, you can use the main WhatsApp app for one number and WhatsApp Business for the second. This lets you keep personal chats in one app and work or side hustle chats in the other. So yes, two WhatsApp accounts, one iPhone, fully separate and easy to manage. Now let's walk through the quick setup, step by step. Step 1. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS and that both phone numbers can receive SMS or calls. Step 2. Open the App Store, install WhatsApp if you don't have it, then open it and register with your first number. Verify the code sent to that number, set up your profile, and you're done with account 1. Step 3. Go back to the App Store, search for WhatsApp Business, and install it. Open WhatsApp Business, agree to the terms, and register using your second phone number. After you verify the second number, you'll have two separate WhatsApp apps on one iPhone, each with its own account and chats.